The description of the tour does not do it justice. There was quite a lot of places packed into this 3-day tour. Good smooth transfers and entry into places. The tour is full, about 50 people. Guides who spoke different languages were there. The main guide spoke one foreign language and was a bit unempathetic to the other tourists who didn't speak the same language. Overall, a good tour. Experience a perfect blend of nature, culture, and shopping on this 3-day tour. Witness the majestic Niagara Falls up close with a boat tour. In Toronto, explore iconic landmarks like the CN Tower, Royal Ontario Museum, and vibrant neighborhoods such as Kensington Market and the Distillery District. Cruise through the scenic 1,000 Islands along the St. Lawrence River, taking in the beauty of Thousand Islands National Park. Conclude your journey with retail therapy at outlet shopping centers near Toronto, offering discounted brand name items. This tour offers a diverse mix of natural beauty, urban exploration, and shopping delights.